Hello everyone. So let's see what are the cards going to say today. I've pulled two at a stretch, so let's see what it is saying. Positive movement and material and spiritual prosperity. Beautiful cards. So you are going to move forward in your life. Today is the day where you will move forward in everything that you do. And I feel if someone is looking in for buying a new thing, then it's a best day to buy. If someone is expecting an income increase, then that will happen. If someone is expecting some money which is owed to them and the payment has not come for a long time, then today maybe you can expect that payment to come to you. I see a person standing looking for abundance, prosperity and happiness to come his or her way, and it is coming. And again here I see a person moving away from all the issues and tensions of the world. So today I feel the cards are saying move away from all the stress. Whatever is yours you will get and you will prosper. But somewhere I feel if you can sit somewhere near the water space today, because both the cards are talking about water, keep your mind calm and meditate if possible. Go to a beach or sit by a lake or sit where there's a water place near you, or if you have an aquarium at home, sit near that aquarium and spend some time there looking at the nature, looking at the fishes inside the aquarium, and just try to enjoy that calm moment. If you want, you can even meditate, because I feel somewhere related to water you need to connect yourself and work with the water, because growth will also happen more. So I hope you all are enjoying the readings. Do like, share and comment also, because I don't tell this on an everyday video, but I felt I should say today, so I'm saying have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.